Alright, you guys, so in Homegoods, it kind of ended up in the candle area. So a lot of these are $8. Oh, look at the sand and fog one. That's kind of cool. We have Island Pineapple Chiller. Oh, I don't know if I smell this one. It smells like pineapple. $12.99. It kind of smells like ice cream. A lot of Martha Stewart. Okay, here is one sand and fog. A lemon vanilla. Citronella. I don't see like the cool citronella candles in this location like in the previous Homegoods video, because that one was amazing. Most of these down here are going to be citronella though. I will tell you that. There's one right there. And let me go behind me. I'm trying to turn slow because some of you said it was kind of dizzy. I don't know. Oh, it's so dark in here. I can't help that. These are 10. And they have multiple colors. They have a purple one. They're really, really thin though. But I think these are the iron ones I like. They are $12.99. And these could be great for Halloween too. Like a Halloweeny look. This large one is 12 from 15. There's that blue one. Ice peach tea. Okay, here's more sand and fog right there. Tropical citrus. See, I moved. I swore I wasn't gonna move till someone said excuse me, but that lady just kept like walking. Like I'm right here. I'm literally away from you. Go around. There's so much room. And they just like keep walking towards you, and then I don't know why I do that. I need to not move. $5. That's not $5. 12 from 17. These are nice. Kind of looks like a tall drink, right? That's kind of cool, the candle one. Let me look at this end cap. So yeah, more Martha Stewart, watermelon, LED candles. A lot of LED candles over here. It's a fun print. 6 from 20. Looks like a little bit of red tag. Yeah, and then this is going to be all their birthday napkins, tons of boxes. Like they fill up this whole section of boxes, I guess, when they don't really have a lot of decor. Canvas tote. Some are $5.99. There's a cowboy one. So I'm pretty sure this is gonna light up. No price on this one. It's like leaves. Her dress is leaves. Kind of cool. This turtle one in the back is $40. The frog is $80. 80 each. $29 and $99. And then 20. These are 100. Kind of cool, right? It's a large steak one. He's doing what I want to do. 25. It's kind of funny. Those are 80. $50, and then they have a large mushroom. These are $59.99. Now some will have an extra one. Bird house. Okay, it looks like this is all garden. I like this boat. The large is 30, and if you want a smaller boat, it will be 15. So she's 80. So I'm guessing the other one might be 80 as well. The turtle at $59.99. $59.99. These are by Martha Stewart, and all these tiny little bird homes. kind of like this one. Oh gosh, don't fall. $59.99. Let me go over here. It's gonna be like a harp. Okay, that's kind of cool. I'm not gonna lie, that's kind of cool. And $50. This large one's by Martha. Oh, this one has hands on it. By Rachel Zoe, $29.99. They kind of look real. Okay, and let me turn around slowly. Find those in Hobby Lobby. If you're very into this stuff right here, like the 10 galvanized, you know they're like 40% off in Hobby Lobby. So, oh, look at the little ducklings, and that's different. I wonder if that was left over from Easter. I'm not too sure. It's another frog. And more of this end cap stuff. Oh, see, there's a larger one with ducklings. I missed it. These are so interesting. And you guys, go back over here. More chest pieces. There was the black one. $100 right here for the statue in the middle. She's gonna be 100. The seahorse is 80 in the back. I don't think I've seen this one. I can't find a price for that. And then, yeah, that's just more garden. Oh, look at this one. $100. Little bird bath. It could be a bird bath. Tons of drink mixers though. I guess good for brunch, Mother's Day. Cocktail margarita, Bellini mix. Just add your vodka. Let's go back to the glassware department though. It's way over here. I want to see if there's anything new on this wall. Cactus one by Mud Pie, really? $5.99. I never seen like a glass mud pie. It's the apple. The lid does come off. $15. That could be a good one for your teacher. They're nice too. And then a lot of blues if you love your blues. It looks like 25. This is glass, but I can see the tag right there. What is the temperature where you guys are at? You know, I'm already complaining, which is so weird because I'm used to the heat. It usually doesn't bother me. But I feel like it says it's like, what, in the 90s, high 90s, or low 90s?
Well, it's 87 today, but it feels like
yeah,
100.
It's 87, but it feels, there's like no cloud in the sky. It feels like we're almost 100. So it's like so weird. Nighttime is not bad though when I go walking. This is just food. Okay, food. Let's go back to the home decor. It's $400, and I believe they say you could put cans in here. I'm not like a chiller. Let's get this tray. And we have a cherry. Came back from TJ Maxx. They had a strawberry one. These are Kate Spade melamine. They're $8. I always feel weird saying that word. $25 right here. Cherry tote. Baseball season. A lot of Woodstock by Ray Dunn. These are eat. They did move the mugs. Mugs are usually at the end cap right there. Okay, this is Hello Sunshine, Mama. Okay, nothing too new. Mom's Coffee. We Don't Talk About Bruno. I've never seen that movie.
It doesn't look.
$5.99 for the salt and pepper shakers. It's kind of cool. Ooh, look at this fancy one. Let me bring this one down though. $25. $25, and this is frames. Picture frames. Let me walk around here. A lot of drink mix. Oh, Barbie wine. Is this the gold one? Oh, I'm not gonna take that out though. Okay. This might. We'll go back. We'll just walk around. They moved it. It's a Harry Potter noodle. A lot of stuff. Brown sugar.
I've never seen a brown sugar one.
Yeah, I've seen it. There's the Hello Kitty ones too. Okay, the rose. So this is the new Juicy Couture one. 25. It's just checkered. And then that mushroom one is here. And then it looks like more Juicy Couture. Okay, wall art. That was it for decor, you guys. This one doesn't have a lot. Just, you know, we're in summertime, so a lot of garden. $15 down there. On a horse one. She's $12.99. Anything new behind it? It's quite a bit. And that's 17. 15, $12.99. Here, is that Disney? These are just the hooks. Kind of looks like wallpaper. You know what it looks like? Well, like a vintage like wallpaper they put in like in a wooden thing, or it looks like a tray. You know?
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
Yeah.
like something that you just stick.
Oh, yeah,
out
that's kinda
and
cool.
the rest of them.
I had that one, yeah. I mean, that kind of be a cool tray. What if we could turn it into one? Let me see. Maybe Mod Podge it.
Oh, on the edges.
Like a tray. It looks like a tray.
It does.
A nice one.
Maybe on the edges you can get those pieces of wood trim.
Mm.
You know, they have like the design. So.
Okay, I think this might be it. Look at this big mirror, $300. I have something really similar. It was like your mom's.
Mm-hmm.
The kids call it the haunted mirror, which I don't know. Apparently, I don't know, but my dog barks at it when he's coming downstairs.
Yeah, he doesn't like that dog.
I think he just sees his reflection.
Yeah. That other dog makes him mad.
$49.99, so $50. You know what? I'm gonna go to World Market. Might not see anything new in World Market, but you know, we could look. It's my day off today, so I have all day. I do like these. There is a large one that I've been wanting for a long time. It's a very large one. It has like a lady right on it.
Yeah, I remember that one. Some of these, they look like I want to get like markers and color it in.
Oh, like those posters?
Yeah.
I know we've seen this bad boy over here. 230. Oh, look, they got chairs to match. I didn't know that. These are 240 from 500. I mean, that's a big jump. 500. Ooh. Here's the back. And a lot of plants, it looks like. And they moved the lighting up front. Let me make my way up front. Some of these Calvin Klein rugs are $80. The 17 Tommy Bahama Tiki Easy. It's kind of funny. Yeah, we might not see anything new in lighting. This tall one right here is $59.99. Same right here. 50. Oh, these are the same. 80. This one by Tahari, and next to is 100. Alright, you guys, that might do it for this video. Here is 2 strawberry ones. I don't want to pull it out. I have a large one. Oh, but they're cute. Alright, you guys, please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.